Welcome back for another crochet lesson. Today we're going to be learning decreasing. So our last video was increasing and now we're going to decrease. So this is my project, scrap project that I had from our last lesson where I increased to make 10 single crochet stitches. I've single crochet or chained one and then just turned it so we can work the same way. So for most stitches, it's going to be working 2 at a time into 1 stitch, regardless of if you're single crocheting, double crocheting, triple crocheting, whatever. So usually how that works is you'll do all the steps except the last yarn over pull through. So I'll show you what I mean. So for single crochet, you go in, pull one out. Now normally you would yarn over again and pull through the 2 loops on your hook, but we're not going to do that. We're going to just loop the one, and then we're going to go into our next stitch. We're going to also loop 1. So now I have 3 on here. Then we'll yarn over and pull through 3 loops. So I'm going to do that again with single crochet across this row. So we'll go in, hook through, then go right into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through. So we'll do that again. And we'll do that again. 3, pull. So now I've decreased. So I started with 6 stitches in this section and now I have 1, 2, 3. Because I single crocheted 2 together 3 times. 2 times 3, 6, 3 stitches. Now we have 4 stitches left on here. So I'll do 2 double crochet togethers to show you what that looks like. So for double crochet, we yarn over before we go into the next stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, go in, and I'm going to do all the steps except for the last one. So a regular double crochet, we'd go through 2, yarn over and go through 2, to finish the stitch. I'm not going to do that last step. I'm going to just start the next stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull through 2. I have 3 loops on here. And now I've got 2 double crochets worked, and it only makes 1 stitch when I'm done. So I'm going to do that again in the last 2 stitches here to show you. So you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through only 2 of the loops, and then we're not going to finish the stitch all the way. We're going to start the next one. Just going to yarn over, go through the stitch here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, have 3, pull through. So again, we made 2 double crochets, but we only ended up with 1 stitch at the end. So we started with 10, we did 3 single crochet 2 togethers, and we did 2 double crochet 2 togethers. So 3 plus 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we ended up with 5 stitches again. And that is how you single crochet and double crochet decrease, but the rules are the same if you're half double crocheting or triple crocheting as well. You just want to do 1 fewer yarn over pull through than you would to finish a normal stitch, and then you just start the second one of the pair for the decrease. And that is how you do that. See you again for another lesson soon.